So there's no screws on any side of the screen on this laptop, just the standard internal clips on all sides of the screen. Well, these three sides, the top and the sides. On the bottom, it's just adhesive strip, and then there's some clips along this lower bezel part. So what I did is I took my guitar pick and I just inserted it on the edge of the screen. It's easier to start in the corners, and you can just kind of pop the clips free. I've already popped the clips on this laptop, so I can just kind of show you more quickly. So what you're going to do at that point is you can run the guitar clip along this inside edge here gently, although the screen's already broken on this one, so it wasn't a big deal. And then at this point, this lower portion has clips and it just pops free. And now you have the frame off. So at this point, now that we've got the screen frame off, I'm going to remove all of these little silver screws right here and there. So there's 6 of them that hold the screen onto the back frame of the laptop. Alright, so now that we have the screen free, we're going to peel back this piece of tape right here. There's a free corner, and there is a catch, a little handle right here, so that you don't have to touch this portion of the screen. You just use your thumbnail, pop it free, and so now you have the cable free. So now we have a screenless laptop. We have our old screen and the frame bezel, and we have our identical new screen. So now we're going to take the new screen. I recommend doing this with 2 hands, so I'll have to put the camera down, and we're going to place it onto the keyboard exactly where we had the old screen. So now that we have the screen in place, we're going to take this little cable part and we're going to replace it in the socket exactly where it was on the old screen and replace the tape. So we have replaced the cable and we've clipped the handle back into place and resealed the tape and flipped the laptop screen up into place. So now we can remove the protective screen that laptopscreen.com places over their replacement screen. And start putting the screws back into place. Alright, so now that we have the screws back into place, we can pop the frame back on. We're going to start by placing the bottom portion and getting those clips into place. And then a little bit silver in there. And snapping around the edges. And if you damaged any of the adhesive strips along these edges of the frame in the process, you may need to order additional adhesive strips, which laptopscreen.com also says. And we get the 2 clips here in the bottom, and we should have a fully functional laptop. There. Thanks for watching.